Kev G weather overview. A really nice weekend. This was yesterday in Central Park. This is a shot of Jeff Smith, ABC7, on his Facebook feed, and it really was just a pretty nice weekend overall, weather-wise. A bit cooler today, but we hit the 80-degree marker yesterday in the park, and I think you're going to find that once we get to Wednesday, temperatures are solidly going to be in the mid 70s to lower 80s area wide, and even out on Long Island. So we've got some very warm early June summer weather in the offing. And when we look at the temperatures off of NOAA, the coolest days of the week are tomorrow with highs, around 72 in the Big Apple. And then we get into Tuesday, basically highs generally in the low 70s once again. Now, if you go south of New York City, that's where the warmer weather is starting to creep in. But there's no doubt by Wednesday, everybody's in the mid 70s to lower 80s. And here we are again. Thursday, same deal. Friday, same deal. And I think this could be the warmest day. But even Saturday, we're still holding in the 80s with widespread 80s at that. And I think that basically Sunday should follow suit as well, with highs generally around 80. So very nice weather. Now we're going to have to deal with some precipitation. But the overall scenario with the precipitation doesn't give us a whole lot. This is the 7-day average off of the Weather Prediction Center. And we have light green, so that basically means about a half inch for the area. And I don't think everybody will see equal amounts. It's not going to be like a uniform thing. Some days, some areas will get showers, and other days they won't. The biggest threats for rain, I think, are going to happen at the end of the week. But Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday do offer shots at passing showers. And the good thing about these passing showers is they're not going to last very long. In fact, when we look at the overall radar, the GFS model off of Tropical Tidbits, what you see is by Tuesday morning, the first disturbance kind of moves through, and that doesn't really give us a whole lot. Late Tuesday evening, we have another shot at showers. Then as we go through Wednesday, yet another chance the model's trying to spin up of showers, but they don't last long. This is Wednesday afternoon to Wednesday night. Thursday, we have to deal with another round, perhaps. I think, the model is, doing the best it can, but I don't think most areas will see rain every single day. I think there'll be some unlucky areas that do, but for the most part, these are just passing weather disturbances. Now, when we get into Friday, this is where it could be a little bit dicey, because the front gets hung up along the eastern seaboard, and you're going to have showers running around. I think this would be your most widespread opportunity for showers and even some thunderstorms too, with the warmer temperatures in place. But basically, that's pretty much it. When we go back to the Weather Prediction Center graphic, I want to compare this to what we have on the GFS. You notice that red-orange blob over the Gulf of Mexico. That's indicating that we're going to have a tropical disturbance develop. And when we look at the GFS in the long range, you can see that there is some type of a disturbance down there in the Southwest Gulf. So I think it's a harbinger of things to come. I think we're going to have a big hurricane season in the Atlantic and in the Gulf. And, I don't know what that storm is going to materialize, if it's going to materialize at all. But do be advised that we're going to have a very active hurricane season. We're going to need some luck in order to dodge tropical systems this year on the whole for the lower 48 states. So just something to keep in mind as we go along. But overall, in our neck of the woods, very delightful weather for the most part. We will have those passing rain chances, but I don't think it's really anything significant. The bigger story really is the warmer temperatures beginning Wednesday and continuing, in consecutive fashion. I think we'll have 3 or 4 days in a row where the mercury will hit 80 in Central Park, which is very significant, especially considering it's early June.